Hello, teacher. My name is Kelly Rivera. I'm going to talk about how for me childhood food is at my parents' house on a farm called El Condor. The farm was located in a villager called La Tetilla near Popayan, Colombia. It was a very beautiful pets food and comfortable plates. He spent being part of nature food there, and he had many wonderful memories of the house. The house was very big and beautiful. There was a large living room. There was a spacious kitchen, and there were four bedrooms. There were also two bathrooms, a dining room, and a lounge part where my family spent a lot of time together. The bedrooms were very large and comfortable. There was a bed, a small table, and a chair in every bedroom. My favorite room was my parents' bedroom because every night I went there to talk with um, then before going to sleep. Those moments made me feel safe and happy. In the living room, there were very comfortable sofas and on television. The sofa were in the living room, and some of the were on the porch. The television were on a small tablet. Not every bedrooms and television, but there was one in the living room and another on in my parents' bedroom. The beds were net too. The windows outside the porch there were more tablet with many charts. My family played jet board game there and out relativity and freedom sat there when they visited. It was a perfect place to talk loud and speak tiny daughter. The house was very big and the rooms were comfortable. The most special part of the house was the beautiful garden. It was large and full of flower trees and green plants. I loved playing with my family. I really loved living in that house because it was full of love, happiness, and beautiful memories. My childhood had very happy time. Um, I will always remember that place beautiful is what of the best part of my life. Thank you, teacher.